morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dset Office Inauguration and International Forum on Supply Chain Resilience. This event is co-hosted by Dset and National Chengchi University Supply Chain Resilience Center. I'm your host today, Jasmine Lee. At the beginning of this event, we would like to extend a warm welcome to all of our distinguished guests, especially to friends who have traveled far from United States, Japan, South Korea, France, and Czech Republic. It's truly our pleasure to have you with us today. We would also like to welcome our distinguished guest, Minister without Portfolio, Lin Mingxin, Director General at Department of Foresight and Innovation Policies of National Science and Technology Council, Cai Miaoci, Deputy Director General of Department of European Affairs at Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Lin Zhu'en. Also, we'd like to welcome the leadership of Dset, Convener Dr. Chen Dongshen, Director Dr. Du Wenling, Deputy Director Dr. Lian Xianming, Executive Director Dr. Zhang Zhichen. It is a pleasure to have you all here for today's forum, which marks a significant milestone, the inauguration of the Dset office. This forum also serves as the International Forum on Supply Chain Resilience, a platform to discuss and explore critical issues shaping the future of technology and geopolitics. Dset was established in October 2023 by the National Science and Technology Council with a clear vision to examine how emerging technology impacts democratic society. We'll also study the geopolitical landscape that shapes technology policy negotiation between Taiwan and international community. In just 1 year, Dset built solid partnership with leading techno-geopolitical think tanks across the globe. Today, we are honored to have speakers from think tanks in United States, Japan, South Korea, and Europe. These are all key stakeholders who have played a crucial role in our collective research over the past year. As we celebrate Dset's first anniversary, the first 2 sessions of today's forum will focus on the critical challenges countries faces as they reconfigure their semiconductor supply chain. We also hear insightful analysis on potential risk and potential avenue for future collaboration between Taiwan and these countries. In the third session, we'll be joined by leaders from industries who will provide us with an inside look at how Taiwan business are navigating and the pressure of the current geopolitical landscape. We look forward to the engaging and thought-provoking day ahead. As the organizer understands the importance to keep everyone energized, the organizer has arranged a lunch with a refreshment available during the tea breaks just outside the conference room. After the conference, we invite you to join us for a tea reception where we hope to continue this valuable conversation and foster new conversations. Without further ado, let us welcome Minister without Portfolio Lin Mingxin to deliver an opening remarks. 让我们掌声欢迎行政院政务委员林明欣为我们做开场致辞。
Good morning, everyone. Actually, I speak just Taiwanese, Chinese, Mandarin, and German, but not English. But here only English. So my English ability is very, very, very poor. I hope you can understand what I say. Okay. I'm honored to attend the inauguration of the Dset office and the International Supply Chain Resilience Forum organized by Dset and the National Chengchi University's Supply Chain Resilience Center. On behalf of the Executive Yuan, I welcome partners from our allied countries to Taiwan, and I appreciate the participation of friends from Taiwan's business community in this forum. Dset was established by the National Science and Technology Council last October as a national-level think tank. It aims to utilize social science foundations to study the relationship between Taiwan's technology policy and geopolitical dynamic, while promoting cooperation with allied countries in semiconductor technology, AI, energy technology, and defense technology policies. Today, I would like to congratulate Dset on its one-year anniversary and the formal move into its new office. Over the past year, Dset has achieved fruitful results, including extensive exchanges with think tanks and policymakers in the United States, Japan, South Korea, and Europe, and has published critical reports analyzing topics such as Taiwan's semiconductor technology protection, the use of AI by China for disinformation manipulation against Taiwan, the development of Taiwan's drone technology and Taiwan's energy security, which have gained attention from the international community. Today's forum is a milestone reflecting the Dset's accomplishments over the past year. We are looking forward to hearing discussions among the Dset, our partners from various countries, and Taiwan's industries regarding supply chain resilience and exploring directions for future cooperation between Taiwan and the allied countries. The Taiwanese government will continue to promote the policy direction of the 5 trusted industry sectors proposed by President Lai, expanding cooperation with allied countries and facilitating the development of local industries. We hope that amid the global supply chain restructuring, Taiwan can form a robust supply chain with allies to respond to challenges arising from geopolitical changes. In line with this policy direction, we look forward to Dset strengthening its capabilities and continuing to expand exchanges with think tanks and policymakers from allied countries. If it can future develop into a national level think tank with institutionalization, we will also support this effort and provide assistance. Finally, I would like to once again welcome all friends attending this forum. We look forward to fruitful discussions today and wish the forum greater success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Minister Lin, for the encouraging remarks. Now let's welcome Director General Cai Miao-Ci from the Department of Foresight and Innovation Policies at National Science and Technology Council to deliver an opening remarks. 让我们掌声欢迎国家科学及技术委员会前瞻及应用科技处处长蔡妙慈为我们做开场致辞。
Minister Lin, Deputy Director Lin, and Professor Chen, and Director Du, and Deputy Director Lian, and all the distinguished guests from abroad and Taiwan. Good morning. It's my pleasure on behalf of National Science and Technology Council to attend today's forum. Recently, many important international reports have pointed out that the boundaries between industrial economy, national security, and democratic systems are becoming increasingly vague, which means that when we are planning industrial policies or science and technology policies, we have to take into account the impact of geopolitics, democratic systems, and the social resilience. So in order to cultivate a think tank, to continue investing in researchers in these fields, we're very glad and very honored that NSTC has funded the Dset last year. And as we know, Dset's researchers focus on analyzing the impact of emerging technologies on democratic societies, fostering international dialogues, and promoting collaborations in technology policy between Taiwan and all other like-minded countries. Over the past year, we are very grateful for the dedication of all the Dset research teams, which has engaged in extensive exchanges and joint researches with think tanks from various countries in the fields of technology and geopolitics. We look forward to Dset continuing to make an impact and contributing to the common good of humanity in the future. Again, thank you all for your participation and those who helped to organize the forum. I'm looking forward to seeing our in-depth discussion and engagement later to foster future partnership. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Director General Tsai, for your opening remarks. And let us welcome Deputy Director General Lin Zhu-en from the Department of European Affairs at Ministry of Foreign Affairs to deliver an opening remark. 让我们掌声欢迎外交部欧洲司副司长林主恩为我们做开场致辞。
Good morning, everybody, especially our host and distinguished guests, professors and experts, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are honored to be here, to be invited here. And on behalf of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, I would like to congratulate the Dset office for this grand opening and express our heartfelt gratitude to National Zhengzhi University in establishing the Supply Chain Resilience Center, or so-called the SCRC. And the SCRC is a key component of our bilateral collaboration with the Czech Republic in the multi-project program. And this marks a significant achievement in the high-tech partnership between the two countries. And the convening of this forum signifies not only the achievements of our joint efforts, but also serves as a platform for deepening our partnership and exploring new avenues of cooperation. And Taiwan and Czechia are united by the commitment to democracy, freedom, and human rights. And our two nations have long respected and cherished these values. And they have also paved the way for a substantive collaboration that continues to grow and deepen. And our bilateral relationship with the Czech Republic has also prospered over the years across many sectors. And we are excited about the potential of our collaboration in high-tech industries, particularly in semiconductor and digital innovation. And as we witness rapid achievement and advancement in these fields, our partnership stands as a beacon for a wider world in technological innovation and resilience. The Supply Chain Resilience Center is also a testament to our commitment and dedication. And it also enhances our capability in semiconductor manufacturing and fosters knowledge sharing and capacity building. Therefore, the establishment of SCRC and also Dset encompasses 5 key elements. They are project management, geopolitics of supply chain, resilience of supply chain, logistics, education and talent development in semiconductors, and sustainability of the semiconductor environment. So in the current world of globalization and economic integration, strengthening supply chain resilience becomes even more important by weaponing trade policies, restricting access to the critical material supplies, and destabilizing key transport routes. Authoritarian regimes undermines the open, rules-based international order. Their lack of transparency and disregard for market mechanism further erode mutual trust, making global supply chain even more vulnerable to disruption. And this situation highlights the imperative that democratic countries should unite in constructing a more resilient, free, and accountable supply chain, global supply chain. And Taiwan is eager to collaborate with like-minded countries like Czechia to build resilience and sustainable supply chains. And we democracies should stand shoulder to shoulder in combating the growing threats posed by the authoritarian regimes, as well as creating a more secure and prosperous future. And I wish this forum every success and hope everyone here today finds great value from discussions. Thank you.